Hey everyone, today I'd like to show you how to create an autofilter by creating a macro in the VBA editor. So I get the data set here where I got the name, depot, and sales. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create an autofilter to filter the East depot here on the second column under the depot header. So I'm gonna make it automatic by creating a macro in the VBA editor. So I'm gonna open the VBA editor, Alt plus F11. Then I'm gonna insert the module 1, and then this is not gonna be a long one. This is gonna be a short code, so it will not take as much time. So I'm gonna create the macro. I'm gonna name it sub filter by depot. Enter. I'm only gonna declare one variable, which is the worksheet. So dim ws as worksheet. Then I'm gonna set this worksheet, set ws equals sheets, and then the sheet number 1, sheet 1, and then I'm gonna create now the auto filter. Okay, so ws dot range, and then the range, I'm gonna specify the range. The range would be in A1 to C1. This would be the headers. So the headers in and column A is the name of the person, and in column B would be the depot, and the C would be the value. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna filter the East depot for this. Okay, so I'm gonna create now the filter dot auto filter. Okay, auto filter. Okay, since we're gonna filter the East from the depot header, so we're gonna include the field. Okay, colon equal sign number 2, and then the criteria 1 colon equal sign, and the criteria would be what? East depot. Okay, that's it. Told you so. This is not a long one, so this is just a very short code to make an autofilter in the data set. Okay, so I'm going back to Excel. Then I'm gonna open the macro dialog box, Alt plus F8. Okay, I'm gonna run the macro. Okay, so what happened is, okay, automatic we filter the East depot, only the East depot. All right. Okay, that's it for our exercise. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.